Hey Cornelius. Hey Zeus. I just got back from seeing Sonic 3. Are you jealous? Did you start your own shell garden? I think in honor of Sonic 3 the movie, I think we should do a Sonic unboxing. Sorry buddy. Well, it looks like we have an assortment of new Sonic figures and Sonic the Hedgehog Cyber Cell trading cards. I'm not quite sure what they are, but the only way to find out, let's open them up! Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z, this is Cornelius, and you all know Zeus. And today we're bringing you a little mix match of some Sonic collectibles. I have two Sonic figures from Jax, the Rocky, the little animals that come out of the machines at the end of the levels, and Fang the Weasel. We also are bringing you, because I'm a kid from the 90s and miss trading cards, what I thought was just Sonic trading cards, but they're Sonic cells, 3 in each pack. So I say, I guess we'll start opening up some figures and then get to the cards. So in the plastic blister pack, we have Rocky. Oh my God, I love him. He has a little head swivel and his little tail goes. But what's nice is he does come with a little stand. Another figure I was very excited for that they made. Not only did they make, but they made in the small scale, which I have. Fang the Weasel. Did you just sit on, you're worse than Robotnik. Arms, heads, and legs. Zeus is okay. Can we get back to the unboxing? Now for that, I knew what I was getting. Here, not so much. What is a cyber cell? It says on the back. I don't know. We're gonna open them up and find out. So we got Tails, Sonic, and Blaze. Oh, okay. So it looks like a normal trading card, but then it opens up. It has a little pop-out edge. So now you have this like cool 3D effect going on, and they will stand. So like as a kid, we had the card sleeves that you put your trading cards in to put in your binder. These, I believe, are going to get set on a shelf. It says there's 26 to collect. All right, come on. It would be only appropriate if we get Shadow. Yes! I'm happy. Shadow, Knuckles, and Amy. I tried. Overall, I'm legit surprised and impressed by these. I thought it would just be a little card I'll put in a sleeve somewhere and that'll be the end of it. No, now I'm gonna have to figure out a place to display these. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. More rolling a ball, 8-bit, retro, but now relevant again, funness. And if you haven't already gone out to see, I was there opening night with the rest of the Z's Toy Box crew to see this movie. Sonic 3, the movie, is amazing. There's something for everybody, but the true nerds who played the games, I think this one is the most close to one of the actual games. That's it. That's my review. No spoilers, because you need to go see this. Your mind will be blown. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye! And here we have Fang the Weasel and Rocky the, I assume, baby walrus? Or just a seal with a mustache? Unclear. And our Sonic Series 1 Cyber Cells. Ooh, it's one time the glare actually looks good. Shiny.